Hi, today we are going to be planification and control of the production. The first one, it's the planification. Is one of the most crucial ones. It involves setting the goals of the company and then managing the resources to achieve such goals. As you can imagine, it is a systematic process involving eight well thought out steps. Let us take a look at the planning process. The planning process is the steps of a company that takes to develop budgets to guide its future activities. The documents developed may include strategic plans, and that means long range, high level company goals, tactical plans, shorter term, specific plans to work toward goals in the strategic plan. Operation plans, detailed plans for a specific department to implement. Project plans, plans to implement projects such as launching new products or building a new plant. And what does the process work? Although the specific steps differ slightly from company to company and depend of which type of plan you're developing. There are general steps that should be taken in order to ensure a good result. The steps in the planning process are develop objectives, develop tasks to meet those objectives, determine resources needed to implement tasks, create a timeline, determine tracking and assessment method, finalize plan, and distribute to all involved in the process. We are going to follow Mark, a department manager in a large company, as he develops a tactical budget for his sales department for the next years. To simplify all the process, we have the tool PDCA is the next one. PDCA is the meaning for plan, do, check, and act. And this is a cycle to plan or to planning the control area. It's the control of the production. The meaning of that the production control is the function is a function of manage which plans, directs and controls the material supply and processing activities of an enterprise so that specified products are produced by specific methods to meet an improved sales program. It ensures that activities are carried out in such a way that the available labor and capital are used in the best possible way. And that is the British Standards Institute defines the term production control to include the following: the production plan or planning, scheduling, machine or labor utilization or dispatching, stock control, manufacturing control or routing and progress. Objectives. We have three objectives in general. The first one, issuing the necessary orders to the proper person up through the prescribed channels for effecting the plan. The number one is to ensure availability of the means of carrying out the orders, the materials, machines, tools, equipment, and manpower in the required quality at the required time. And the last one is the number third, to ensure carrying out of the orders by the personnel so that goods are produced in the required quantities of the specified quality at the predetermined time. Thus, the underlying principle of production control is that the highest efficiency in production is obtained by producing the required in time and in the best and cheapest method possible. And that's mean lean in general. Function of the control. The number one is control activities. This is done by releasing manufacturing orders through dispatching. Thus, plans are set in motion at the assigned time. The number two, control of material movement. The time at which material is received from the supplier and issued to the plant is observed, and a close watch is kept on its movement from one part to another to ensure that this movement is in accordance with the production cost. Number three is availability of tools in control. Steps are to be taken to ensure that tools specified in production plan are available as and when required. Number four, quality produced is control. Working process at the predetermined stage of production is observed to determine that right quantity of specified quality work is processed. Number five, control of replacement. Quantity of raw material in a working process which fails to pass each stage of inspection is observed. The provision is made to issue replacement orders for each material for work. Number six, labor efficiency and control. Time taken on each unit of working process is observed and recorded. Comparison of the time taken is made with the time allowed in scheduling. And